everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to model this part. Let's start. It is a simple part with simple surface commands, and on top plane we are creating a sketch, and then we are creating here a polygon which have 8 edges. After that we are going to give dimension to our polygon, which is 100 mm, and then we are going to make this 2 point by pressing our control button in our keyboard horizontal. Then as you see, it is fully defined. There is one more thing that I'm using. Normally when I'm combining this 2 point with a line, I'm converting it into construction geometry and then make horizontal. This also makes same in back. After this operation, we look from front plane and we go create there a sketch, and here a construction line, and then later here a normal line. We convert this to construction line by clicking on it, and then we will give our 15-degree angle and height 250 mm by pressing our spacebar. I make normal to there. As you see, it is not fully defined. Program asked me to define something small, and by again giving a relationship, I said this is done by control button in your keyboard. We say coincident, and now our sketch is fully defined. We select our top plane and we select our top plane and the command, and then later clicking to this point, and then program creates me in this point a sketch which is parallel to this selected one, and we are going to create there a sketch, and I'm looking normal too. Here we create one more polygon. The only thing that we are going to do here, giving a relationship which is coincident here. This was only for determining the dimension in 15-degree angle. By calculating also it can be done. And after this operation, we go create on top plane a sketch, and we are creating a circle here, and then in this circle we are going to create an helix which will be 500 pitch and half revolution. And after that we gave here an angle. We can say start in 0 angle. It's starting at the edge of a polygon and it's finishing at the other side. With taper helix 15-degree, you shouldn't forget that. After this operation, we go create there one more circle, because helix command not allows us to use 2 times a sketch. Again, helix values are same, pitch 500, revolutions a half millimeter, and start angle now going to be 45. After this operation, we are going to use our surface command, which is loft, and right click here as selection manager and select one of my edge, and then I'm coming here and right click selection manager, selecting another edge, and now we define our guide curves. As you see here, these 2 spiral helix, or we can say. And after this operation, I need a point where I can make my pattern. For that I need access, and I pick this point at top plane also selected. In fact, you can say origin and a top plane to there. On that point, vertically we are having an axis now. After this operation, because of this 8-edged polygon, we are going to make 8-time pattern. We can hide now unnecessary objects on the screen. We don't need the axis. First thing that here I wanna close my bottom with planar surface. I'm just selecting my edges, straight edges in the surface. You can make here also extrude. That's both fine. Now I'm going to make a knit, but here I will show a difference before doing another way. Now we gave a thickness, we knit everything, and we are going to create a thicken, let's say 3 mm. When you made something like that, because of surface orientation, you have some surfaces here which is not good. You can make a surface cut. That's also possible, like you can say 249. It was something 250 if I'm right, or 248, and you can cut this surface basically upwards and you have a clean surface. But if you don't want to do that, then the way that we are going to apply here will be this one. Again here, creating a planar surface. As I told that this could be done with also extrude surface. And now we are going to make a surface knit, and selecting this object also and creating a solid body out of this object. And we can give some radiuses on the edges. We can select like this our outer edges, except 1 or 2. I think we almost select everything, and operation is done. And now we are going to create a shell with 3 mm thickness. Then you will see you don't have any problem at the top of your model. These are little differences, little things that you should know in SolidWorks in order to have a good model. For another and more advanced videos, please do visit my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any question or ideas on concerning with my modelings, or any feedback. It's just appreciated. And hope to see you in another video soon then.